we are still cooking here. We're still doing it, and we're kind of running late a little bit, but mình thì chế lì theo, but như cả hoa này, nếu hoa này thì cái mà sao mình không phải một thân mình sẽ cũng thích kia. I gotta get closer, bro. Huh? I gotta get closer so I don't hear it when you cook.
You're good like this. You see everything.
Yeah. That's how we're going to do it. We turn it around so you guys see. Yeah. So. Hey, bro, you're like the real chef, man. Or Gordon.
Like a real chef.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are, man. Real chef, brother. Ủa sao mà có cá nó mà chủ lên nó nên sầu á. Cái cũng要到sầu theo到我sao mà nó mà那得是手那些包我拿cá了哟。cái đất điện mà nó thầm lên đó. cái sợi đó cỡ lên nó cho họ ra cho cỡ rau món nó gì cái cả chép quá một chép quá nó gì chỉ mua rau mua món nó nữa.
The noodle, you gotta check.
Yeah.
You don't break the noodle, you break it.
Yeah. And that stuff looks good. It looks good. It looks really good.
Keep out with it.
Yeah. Cho ít kho giống như họ là món cho chưa có. So is that
Which one?
Did you take that 50 quart from the shop?
No.
No?
I told you, black one.
Yeah,
Black one. Yeah,
put it under my stand.
you don't want to. Yeah, that's the last time I told you to look out for it.
Yeah.
Who took it?
I don't know.
That's the guy. That's the guy that drive. I think he's the one that bring it out for me.
Yeah,
So
okay.
that's the last time I told you look out for me for that one.
Yeah,
That's
I
it.
seen it. I put it on my stand, and then when I went to go look at it yesterday, it's not there.
Like something like that. Want to say anything?
That was gorgeous.
No, it's not hard. It's there.
Okay, it's there.
Yeah, I asked him to use it.
Okay.
Hey, brother Cam, the red sauce that you put in, is that cayenne pepper?
Paprika.
Oh, okay, paprika.
Paprika, it don't have taste on it, but it makes the color come out. Like
Oh, yeah.
make your food look good. I mean, that's why I put it in there.
Yeah.
It's,
So right now you're just pouring soy sauce, right?
that's a special sauce that I make.
Okay,
It's not
okay.
special.
We don't need to tell.
I make
your-
myself. It's
yeah.
my ingredient.
Yeah. Yeah,
My special sauce.
yeah, that's your thing.
Oh, Cam, yum.
Yeah, that's Cam sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta just like that, guys. That's camp sauce.
I can't.
Yeah. We're not gonna talk. Nếu cho ít cho cô đủ nè, nhớ là nó nhà nên ly nó, nhà nên ly gì, nua tàu rồi này cái này cả cái bé này nhở, cái bé ở bé chúng ta chạy lớn nông này thì nó cho chạy vô chạy họ là cá tạm mù này nhở, thì họ cá chỉ cho hai tiền cho nó tàu đủ nữa nè, họ nên xí nữa thì họ cá sắp rồi nó. Tôi tàu cho nó mà nó cá sắp rồi thì nó cái tàu rồi bé này giàu gì đâu này cái, này tôi cho là cho họ có cái cái đó nó thì cái đó tôi rồi cho con cá tí giả này nhở, thì tôi cứ kèm nó nghĩ hay do rồi, còn cả phải ở đây giàu gì đâu này nè, rồi sau lúc này cầm đây nó, lúc này cầm đây nó thì sẽ bị trả nữa, hay thì cho mà nay chỉ nó chưa nó sẽ chỉ cũng nhón nó mà nó chưa cá thì kia nữa.
See it come out nice, tasteful.
Is nếu muốn được tòa nếu muốn được sẵn à perfect.
Make sure it come out.
Thì你稍微叫锅能急
Just I can't find the other one.
That's okay, it's a small tray. They like the small tray. They want the small tray. Yeah. Just fill it up.
No, I can't find the cheap one. This I have to.
Oh, you buy the, oh, you mean
have to
aluminum?
find, yeah, I can't find the other kind, the one that you store away. And stuff.
No.
But it's all right. It's like 40.
disposal one,
Yeah,
right?
you want the one that you
Yeah.
What is this? What is this one?
Huh?
What is this?
What?
This
The disc?
plastic? Yeah.
Pak Kimo.
Punky mouth. Oh. So you see in the text everything was chicken instead of the fried rice.
Oh, they want everything chicken?
Yeah, besides.
Oh.
I asked you if you read the stuff, the messages on it.
Oh. I didn't get a chance to, but it's all right.
Oh.
For the next round. It's okay.
cho cá thì tiền nè rồi sau nhưng tôi chơi tụ
Yeah, everything's
tụ
chicken. Have you already did that
tụ
one?
cứng lo nó nên cho nên cho rau gì mà cho cá thì tiền này.
You can't eat chicken with it.
No, they can. It's just one of the ladies, she's vegetarian.
Yeah, I got a vegetarian right here.
Okay.
Just straight up, no meat, no nothing, vegetable.
Okay.
Just special for her. Because I talked to my man, she like wanted me to get it.
Yeah.
Gotta be vegetarian. So, I mean, it's just shrimp and so my pad thai will be all chicken mix. Pad thai and
thì rồi nó mất khử chơi chấm ba chơi ôn gì cho ôn gì cho
and the fried rice.
rồi lúc tay nó phụ cho chỗ tay nó đau á rồi chỗ ý o tê lâu đi lúc o lúc tê lúc tại á
I talked to my man, I'm gonna do next week. Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't know what you talked to me, but you
I sent you the text. It says everything chicken, but everything chicken, but the shrimp fried rice. But it's okay. I just do it. Whatever you have, it's okay.
Yeah, I went to buy the shrimp and everything already.
That's why I asked you yesterday. Did you get my messages? You said yeah.
And I get messages. Cause I was so tired yesterday. 'Cause I had to wake up early. I got to meet the FC up over there downtown.
nó chỉ nó cho phở còn mua hay nó mua để cho nó ôn kỹ nó
Just stayed with him all day. By the time I got home, I was tired. So I crashed out. I know you called me, but I didn't get a chance to talk. You know. I get a chance to talk to my nurse. That's it. I crashed out all day yesterday. So tired.
I know you didn't call me till like 8 or 9.
Yeah, that's the time I got home. I was so tired. If you want to hang out with me yesterday, so I got to go down. Hang out with them.
brother Cam muốn rau ta chỉ nó muốn tu rau á nó tu hố hả nó muốn so với xe nó hố nó thì nhưng mà muốn cho nó làm tí chết nó thì có cái rau món nó cần được rau được hố này và cá được hố này vậy chỉ với ôi giọt cần cầu đấy nè thì nó cho rau nó cho nó thì nó mua cho nó họ có tự này nhá cho phật của nó lá đây chỉ mua dầu nên cho phật nó chỉ mua trên mà muốn cho của nó sao chỉ mua trâu chỉ đâu biết sửa sai nè tụi brother Cam nó nữ cử cân cầu đấy nè chị bé bóng là mà bé tàu tốt xấu nữa ha rồi họ nữ cử hàng thì bé tôi nếu mua lô lai nhá tôi có bé xa 7-Eleven à họ luôn mong của sport hay lý giải gì nếu mua lô lan bé á thì nhóm nó này con gia bé nó tôi ba nữa hay vô nữa cho rau cho mồi sớ nữa rau lai sớ rau sớ cho cái gì luôn này à thì nếu nhớ bé 7-Eleven á thì nếu nó mà bé ôn phải đâu bé phải đâu nếu mua cho nên order á thì nếu order thì mình cho một đâu bé nó trong cây đó họ.
How many orders you making at a time?
Huh?
How many orders you making at a time? Yeah, how many orders you got at a time?
3. I could only make 3.
At a time?
That's my limit. 3. If I make too many, it's just gonna be not gonna be good. Yeah. I'd rather make 1, but 3 is my limit. I'm still, not that good making that. So let me come up. Wait a minute. You know the whole thing to do?
Yeah,
I stopped by there yesterday.
we didn't have to pay the deposit, the rent.
What's one?
You pay the rent. Oh, you have to pay the rent.
Do I got paid now or?
No, she didn't want to open it because we didn't want to have him like talk shit, you know.
Yeah.
And I told her I said come in tomorrow. I said come